Setting goals is an important part of success. But what happens when things don't go as planned? Failure is a natural part of any journey. Instead of fearing failure, it is better to plan for it. This helps you build resilience and keep moving forward. First, understand that failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of the process. Many successful people have failed many times before reaching their goals. The key is how you respond to failure. To build resilience, start by setting realistic goals. Break big goals into smaller, manageable steps. This way, if you face setbacks, you can adjust your plan without feeling overwhelmed. Next, expect challenges and prepare for them. Think about what might go wrong and create backup plans. This is called planning for failure. When problems arise, having a backup plan makes it easier to stay on track. Another important step is to learn from failure. When something doesn't work, ask yourself why. Use the experience to improve your plan. Failure becomes useful when it teaches you something new. Also, develop a positive mindset. Instead of seeing failure as a reason to quit, see it as an opportunity to grow stronger. Stay flexible and keep trying different approaches until you find what works. Building resilience also means taking care of yourself. Stress and disappointment can hurt your motivation. Make sure to rest, stay healthy, and keep a balance between work and relaxation. Finally, surround yourself with supportive people. Friends, family, or mentors can encourage you during tough times. Talking about your struggles helps you feel less alone and gives new ideas to solve problems. In summary, planning for failure means expecting setbacks, preparing for them, learning from mistakes, and keeping a positive attitude. Building resilience into your goals will help you stay focused and keep moving forward, even when the road is hard. Remember, success is not about never failing. It is about never giving up.